Hey everybody, my name is Gabe the Painter. I'm an artist and I'm a professional private art coach. And recently you've seen what I've been posting. You've seen I've been posting paintings. You've seen I've been posting about me painting Jesus Christ and all those different things. I was talking about a church auction I'm going to be donating that painting to, which is going to go super well. I had a copy of it printed out just today for it, and believe it or not, I'm going to be painting on it. So stay tuned. Watch that video next week when I donate it and give away this final product, as well as continue working on the original one so it gets better and better. But in the meantime, I am doing a little something more Western, a little bit more grimy, a little bit more grungy, a little bit more heroic. Cue the intro.
Sorry, that is amazing. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
I love it.
So here it is. I'm just doing the math right now. I'm going to explain a little bit as to the reason why I'm doing this. I've been very inspired by like the Western theme recently. I feel like it's something that's kind of trending. In fact, I've been so inspired. I sold my Mercedes and bought a truck. And I guess the big thing about it, it's all about adventure. Like there's this heroic sense, there's this adventurous sense, and it is just the epitome of what I think real masculinity is, what godly masculinity is. And it's just kind of this wild feeling, which, speaking of wild, I'm actually reading a book called Wild at Heart, and it's just so fitting right now. It's talking about how the natural man is just wild at heart. Even Jesus Christ himself, we kind of paint this image of him in our minds that he's just this kind, gentle. I mean, yes, he's kind, he's loving, but let's not understate that he's also a man with a wild heart in some sense. Here he is accusing Pharisees and doing all these different things, right? Masculinity at its core is wild, it is adventurous, it is dangerous. And that's why I love this painting. Got myself a reference, started working on it, and I'm just gonna shut up for the rest of the video. It's not too long, as I've only worked on this video for a total of probably about three and a half hours so far. So I don't have the most footage with it, but I want you guys to enjoy. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have a fun time. Enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Gabe the Painter. So glad you guys took the time out of your day. I really do appreciate your guys' support, the kindness, the love. I cannot wait to share more of this with you guys. If you guys would be interested in a giveaway, I don't have that many subscribers. So, I mean, the chances are you're probably going to be pretty capable of hopping in this. So let me know in the comments below if that is something you'd be interested in. I'm going to be doing a couple of prints, shipping it right to your door, and all for free, no charges, nothing like that. Just a little thank you from me to you. But let me know, obviously, first, if you guys don't want it, I don't want to do it either. So, but anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. I put a lot of hours into these videos, and it's truly my passion. My goal is to become a successful artist, and I can't do it without you guys, quite frankly. So thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.